Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about what it means when you see your tire pressure warning light go off. And this is specifically when you turn on the car and you see it flashing for 10 to 30 seconds. What that means exactly, because usually it means that one of your tires are low on pressure, but in this case it's a little different. So stick around and I'll talk about that a little bit. We'll go upstairs and talk about my experience about it. And then we'll come back down here in the car and I'll talk about what I did to resolve it and so on and so forth. So let's do that right now. So that light, the tire pressure light, was what actually happened was when I started the car, the tire pressure light warning actually was flashing. It was not a solid light when I turned on the car. Keep note of that, because if you actually see the light there flashing for 10 to 30 seconds and it's not a solid right away when you turn on the car, that is how you could indicate that one of your sensors, and it's called a TPMS sensor. What that stands for is tire pressure monitoring system. There's 4 of them, 1 in each tire. All of them have batteries. One of them is bad, and usually when one of them is bad, that the other ones, assuming that they're all going to be the original ones that came with the car, is very close to dying as well. So you might as well change all 4 of them. That's basically what I did to resolve that issue, and now the light is gone. It's good to go. I'm actually going to go back in the car. We're going to talk a little bit more about that, and so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so here we are back in the car. I guess I could have just ended the video upstairs when I was talking to you, but I'm just gonna actually turn on the car now so you could see that the tire pressure light has turned off. You saw it there briefly for a second. So yeah, that was on initially, as I showed you in a quick picture, and you saw in that picture that it was on and illuminated. And I actually wish I made a video of what it looked like when I turned on the car and I noticed the problem. It's basically was just flashing for about 10 to 30 seconds. But anyways, everything is fine now, and that's pretty much all I have to say about what the problem could be when you notice that light flashing for about 10 to 30 seconds. Maybe a little bit more, I'm not sure. Maybe it depends from the model, make and model of your car. But anyways, that's it. I hope to see you again in the next video, whatever that may be. If you are subscribed to my channel, thank you for your support. And if you're not, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. I do make a lot of random content, so, you know, it's not a very streamlined channel, I guess, but I'm grateful for all the subscribers that I have and all the supporters that I have. Thank you so much. I will see you again in the next video. Bye-bye. See you next time, and rock on.